best. Hey guys, my name is Lakshman. I'm in the industry for last 5 years in HR profession. I started my career as a recruitment, and so while working with the companies, in big automotive companies, I used to meet a lot of friends, colleagues, and the mentors and leaders, and I learned many things from them. And to success in HR profession, there are many points, so that I'm gonna share whatever I learned from them. I'm gonna share in a few minutes. Are you ready to listen that? Okay. So by the profession, we have here now technical experts, the managers, HR profession, chartered accountant we have, and fitment, state fit we have. And all these points may know the common factor in it.
Sure. Of course.
May know the common factor in all our business. Take an example of HR profession, technical personnel.
People.
You are right, people.
Yes.
This is our focus. No matter what profession we are into. Yes? To tackle this, in other words, to become a successful HR profession or anything, the main point is people. We should focus on people. I'm gonna share you a few points. Only 2 points I'm gonna share you, which will help you to understand people better and success in your career. Not exactly in HR profession, in all the ways. Yes. So, 1. Public speaking. So, according to the research, 85% is gonna nervous in public speaking. In 15%, almost telling lie. That means everybody is nervous in public speaking. We should overcome that using many. So, what do you feel actually to overcome those things? Public speaking, fear of public speaking. What do you think? What suggestions you have? May I know 1 point, madam?
Probably go to a training, something like what we are here today.
Great point. How about
Practice.
great point? Yeah, I'll put it across in 1 word. Anxiety management. Okay, this is anxiety management. Nervous while for example, while coming for the stage, before coming for the stage, a lot of nervousness and what to say. So we should very calm and composed before talking to the people. This is 1 point. And while talking to the people, so you cannot plan very well before coming to the stage or before talking to the people anywhere. There is 2 kinds of things. One is planned discussion and one more is a spontaneous. So maximum we should speak to the people with spontaneously. We cannot plan everything and speak to the person. So for that, we should be always calm and composed. Yes. And second one. Passion. Yes. We learned public speaking and we managed to get the overcome those public speaking and very well versed with people and very friendly people. We are very friendly with people and very engaged with people already. And so, what is our focus? We have some goal in our mind. To reach that, we should have a passion for it. Without passion, we cannot build it anything. So, take an example of Sachin Tendulkar. From age of 16. Is world known already. Shah Rukh Khan. Name anybody in the world. They had a passion, commitment, perspiration, and dedication towards the goal. That is very, very important. So, what I can say is the passion. So, the profession, any profession, not only in HR profession, our goal, our profession is not an passion is not about taking. So passion is all about taking a right direction. Yeah. And third one is, this is a bonus point all the way. This is motivation. Yes, we overcome public speaking we have a passion. Without motivation, we cannot do anything. So as a person, we will be going through many situations as a personal and the professional. At one point of time, okay, this is not working out for me, so I'll do something else. Then, if you're not focused on the passions, if you are not motivate yourself, you will not able to reach the goal. So, in the team as well, if you are working in companies, if you are not motivated yourself, you cannot motivate your people. Yeah, this is HR profession is not only a passion. We should take a right direction. Yes, to overcap, the first one is public speaking, second one is passion and motivation for this. These are interconnections. If you follow these things, I am assured you're going to have success in your career, in your profession, no matter what profession you are into. Thank you so much once again, Lakshman.
Let's listen from them. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's good, but I feel